A lot of my images are made out of what's known as twists on words, so this is Cat-astrophe. And I've never been a cat fan. I've had 3 cats in my life, and they always create havoc and destroy things and basically play with you in your mentality and try to find ways of actually doing naughty things when you least expect them. And so this picture basically came out of that, the idea that this cat, which was quite a nice, sleek Sphinx cat, was poised over the red button. He had an ominous red button ready to destroy your life basically by pressing down and making life a catastrophe. That's basically it.